Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Saman here, your grammar teacher. Welcome back to my channel. After a whole month, I'm joining you back because it was Ramadan and I didn't get any time to make any video. So hopefully now you're going to see my videos on regular basis. On regular basis, I'm going to post the videos and you can learn new things from my channel. And if you learn anything new from my channel, do like my videos and do subscribe it. Okay, let's start our topic today. The topic that I have selected is adverbs. Adverb is one of the parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech and adverb is one of it. So let's start with adverb. Adverb itself, the word is telling you what is adverb. Add means something that is added to the verb. The word that is added with the verb or the word which describes the verb, that is called an adverb. So the word itself is telling you what is the definition of adverb. So here is the definition of adverb. An adverb gives us information about the way in which an action is done. So it means that adverb is a word that tells you something about the verb. There is a difference between adverb and adjective. Adjective is also a describing word and adverb is also a describing word. But what is the difference between them? Adjectives describes the noun and adverb describes the verb. So this is the only main difference. Both are describing words, but adverbs describe the verb. For example, here you can see the example: the superhero flies quickly. Superhero is a noun, flies is verb, and quickly is adverb, because quickly is telling you that how it is flying. Okay, so flies quickly, flies is verb and quickly is adverb. So adverb is a word that tells you something about the verb. Okay, for example, these are some of the examples like elegantly, happily, gently, hungrily, lazily, and loudly. For example, the girl is looking elegantly. Now looking is verb and elegantly is adverb. The children are playing happily. Playing is verb and happily is adjective. Happily is adverb. And here the boy put the bird on his hand gently. Now gently is adverb. Hungrily, the girl ate the whole cake hungrily. Okay, ate is verb and hungrily is adjective, adverb. And the girl is lying lazily on the sofa, or the girl is shouting loudly. So these all actions, they are telling you something about the actions, the verb. So these are called adverbs. So there is more advanced definition of adverb that you should know, that an adverb tells how, where, or when an action happens. Okay, now I told you that adverbs, it tells about the verb, that is correct, but it also tells that how, where, or when an action happens. For example, Ben sees puppy outside. Now here you can see sees is verb and outside is adverb, because where he has seen the puppy, he has seen the puppy outside. So outside is an adverb, because adverbs, it tells you about how, where, or when an action happened. Now in this case, Ben sees puppy outside, you can say that where the action is taken place. Okay, outside. So adverb, outside is adverb. So there are some more examples of adverbs: daily, somewhere, quickly, everywhere, calmly, regularly, nowhere, freely, silently, near, and soon, and many more. So one thing that I must tell you, that adverbs are the words that are having ly at the end. Okay, this is the identification, that if the word is having ly at the end, it means that it is an adverb. Mostly it happens, but sometimes there are words which tells you that how, where, or when something happens, and they don't have ly at the end. Like here you can see outside, or somewhere, everywhere, okay, nowhere. These are also adverbs. They are not having ly at the end, but they are adverbs because they tell you that how, where, or when something happened. So you have to keep this definition in your mind, that adverbs also tells you that how, where, or when an action happened. Okay, let's solve the activity. It will be more easy to you. It will be more easy for you to have the clear picture of adverb. Mostly adverbs are having ly at the end. You have to keep this in your mind. Okay, first I'm going to read out the sentences. Just look at the guess the answer by yourself, and then I will show you the answers. The cheetah ran dash. Ran is verb, and then you have to put any adverb after that. The sea turtle walked dash on the ground. Okay, walked is verb. Then you have to put something that describes the walking. Okay, the kangaroo hopped dash using its hind leg. Hind means the back legs. The lion growled dash. The dolphin swam dash with its paw. Swam is the second form of swim. Here you are going to write the quality or the describing word that describe the swimming of the dolphin. So, okay, let's check the answer. The cheetah ran fastly. The sea turtle walked slowly on the ground. The kangaroo hopped excitedly using its hind legs. The lion growled loudly. The dolphin swam smoothly with its paw. Here you can see that all the words are having ly at the end, and they are used just after the verb. Swam smoothly, growled loudly, hopped excitedly, walked slowly, ran fastly. So that's how you use adverb in a sentence. So there is another activity. So you have to solve it by yourself first and circle the adverbs. Don't speak loudly in the class. Treat all animals kindly. The maid quickly swept the floor. Mona sang sweetly. Do your sums carefully. It's very easy. Just the identification that I told you, you can guess from that identification that what are adverbs. So let's check the answer. Speak loudly. Loudly is an adverb. Treat all the animals kindly. Kindly is an adverb. Treat is verb and kindly is adverb. The maid quickly swept the floor. Quickly is adverb. Swept is the second form of sweep. Sweep means to clean up. Mona sang sweetly. Sweetly is an adverb. Sang is the second form of sing. Do your sums carefully. Do is the verb and carefully is an adverb. So I hope this is very clear to you that adverbs, they carry ly at the end. So all the words having ly at the end, they are adverbs, but there are some other adverbs also that tells how, when and where something happens. They might not have ly at the end, but they are adverbs. So I hope the topic is clear to you. So the message of my day is play, learn and grow together. So this is the golden period of your time when you are with your friends and when you are completing your studies. So always play together, learn together and grow together. Always have a very good time with your friends. Okay, take care and Allah Hafiz.